So in the last video, I talked about how I developed the site, but now in this video, I'll discuss how I coded the site. I used HTML and CSS, but how I positioned it and its relevant aspects, I will discuss in this video. So here, as we see the code of our site, this is the HTML head, meta character set, etc., which comes under the title of HTML boilerplate. The UFT8 are the set of characters which are embedded in our site. This title tag embeds whatever you write between it inside the space of the head of the tab. Likewise. Now moving on to this link, it has a relation with a shortcut icon and is a favicon. Favicon essentially is the concept of this icon which you see over here. This can be embedded when you link it with shortcut icon. These are a few fonts which I imported from Google Fonts, and this is our Bootstrap link which you can get from the Bootstrap site, and the second one is the link to our style sheet, which is over here. And as we move on, the first section is a container inside which present is the navbar. This is a Bootstrap class which has embedded 3 atoms into it, namely contact, contribute, and connect, with our branding at the left side as such. Next is our class with the tagline, the journey to billion starts with one. This also includes a button which has a written plant one onto it, as you can see here. And after that, this is a basic H1 class. H1 refers to the heading. Next, I divided the page into tables. This has table data, and this is one table data, as you see the class bold here, and the second one is present over here. Similarly, for the second one, I preferred to put the image on the right side, hence I linked the image after the content. As you can see here, the second diff's image is present on the right side. Likewise, for the third table. Moving on to testimonials, it is a Bootstrap concept which embeds our content, including images, so as to put it in a navigating manner. This over here are the 4 images contained inside a div. Likewise, as you can see, this is a section, not a div, and it embeds our 4 logos. Moving on to our pricing section, this is considered as a div or a card which you can modify by your choice. Last comes our call to action, which is connect with us. This is the part where I'd like to emphasize it, so I have linked it above as I showed in the previous video, like such. And our 4 social media logos are also there. This concludes our HTML section, but if I just put it there like that only, it will be a mess, because this alignment, the spacing of icons, this padding with the top, these are all needed to make the site beautiful, which can't be preferably done with an HTML, with using HTML. Hence, we'll have to look into our style sheet, that is style.css. Here, let's take an example of the container fluid. I put the font family, the background image, as you can see, this concept of padding, which is the space left from the top and the top, bottom, or left, right sides, comes into the play. Similarly, for our H3, there is a line height, which is the spacing between lines, and for every P element, which is considered as a paragraph element, which you can embed, I put the color of the text as gray, which makes it look more elegant, increase its line height, font size, etc. I also aligned this text to the left. I also customized the navbar a bit so it looks more appropriate according to my needs. And as I made the site responsive, I set it max width to 900 pixel. That means for until it shrinks, until the size of the screen shrinks to 900, else all the classes will be applied. But when it comes below that, this media thing, the media thing will be applied, which contains H2 aligned to its center. That testimonials width will reduce a bit. The press, which is our logos, width will reduce. Similarly, the margin will change, the text will align to center. Now, the thing I'd like to share with you is how you can make your own site without much help from outside. Like if you are doing a course or anything, like just search whatever you want, specifically search for it, like make heading size bigger. You would automatically get this thing from a relevant site, some named our Mozilla developer site, and this is W3 schools here. See, instantly you will get how to increase or decrease your font size or whatever. Like if you want to repeat your image, like instantly you will get the relevant things that you'll need. So that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.